Hello learners, welcome to lesson 6. In the last lesson, we learned about working with tables, and we were able to achieve that from the Insert tab. So from the Insert tab, we were able to click the drop down to add the numbers of column and rows. And in the last class, we worked with a 2x4 table. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use the watermark. We are going to learn how to use the watermark. And to achieve the watermark, we will need to go to the Design tab. From the Design tab, we have a group that is called Page Background. So from the page background, I can actually insert a page border, a page color, and also a watermark. Take for instance, if I need to change the page color of this document, I can change it to blue, I can change it to orange, I can change it to black, I can change it to red, I can change it to dark red, I can change it to yellow, and many other colors which I wish to achieve. But that aside, we want to insert a watermark. So we click on the drop down watermark. Now this shows us different templates that we have already. This is confidential, diagonal, confidential, horizontal, do not copy, diagonal, do not copy, horizontal. This is draft, and sample. So these are templates that are available. So once we click on this template, let's see what happens. You can see confidential. What if we want to assign a particular word, probably our own name? What we need to do is go to custom watermark, custom, from the word customize. So this is what we have. From the text, where we have confidentiality, we can easily change it to Grace College, IPERU-REMO. And after that, all we need to do is set if we want the layout to be diagonal or horizontal. So for this case, I want it to be diagonal. All I need to do is apply. After applying, we should have observed what has happened there. Grace College, IPERU-REMO. So from there, I can close it. I have what we call the watermark. Don't forget that the watermark is an underlay text behind a particular document. So for the watermark, we can actually make use of picture watermark. We can place a picture behind the document. We can decide to go with no watermark. We can decide to go with a custom watermark, which we just did now. The next thing we need to do here is to insert header and footer. At the top here, I want a particular text or an information to be displayed. Also at the bottom here, I want that information. So all we need to do is go to the Insert tab. From the Insert tab, we have a group that is called header and footer. We have page numbers, we have footers, we have headers. So we're going to click on header, the drop down. So from here, it gives us an option to select which of the templates we want. So I am going to go by this template for the header. So I am going to change this document title to watermark, header and footer. since that is what we are learning in this course. So we are going to change it to any font we want. I go with Times New Roman. I want it to be bold, and I want it bigger. So that is what I want there. Also, I want a footer. You can see there is nothing at the base, at the bottom. I want something to be there just like the header. Insert to this group, header and footer. I go with footer. Let me see. Okay. Let me see. I want to go with this. So I am changing it to document created by Grace College, IPERU-REMO. So here I can decide to take this away. I can also decide to leave it. I can decide to put a particular date. Take for instance, today is 4th 05 2023. So that is header and footer. We can also decide to insert a page number. To also do that, we go to our insert. Under the header and footer, we go to page number. Where do we want the page number? Is it at the top, at the bottom? Any position where we want it, we can decide to choose it from here. So I want it at the bottom, and I want it to be exactly at the center. So this is my page number. That's page 1. Page number, that is page 1. So that is that about watermark, headers, and footer. Thank you so much. We meet in the next lesson.